Hey everyone, it's Rocky here from Pickup Media. Today I'm back in Sydney, Australia with Dale from LG Humphreys, and Dale here has been a long-term customer of using the GemLightbox. Today we're about to show him how the GemLightbox Macro works. So we have a beautiful African ruby here that we'll be taking using the GemLightbox Macro. It's a very small stone. It looks like it's 1.4 carats. So let's see what that looks like inside the GemLightbox Macro. We're just going to put the African ruby into the GemLightbox Macro like this. Make sure it's pointing forwards. So let's see what this looks like using our yellow light as well. So yellow light is basically our 3005 Kelvin light, which a lot of gemstone dealers use to bring out the additional vivid red and the red glow for rubies. So we're just going to record. That looks amazing. So we're going to see what the ruby looks like on the black background as well. So a lot of gemstone dealers we work with, they actually prefer to photograph rubies, especially darker color ones, on a black background, just because it brings out the additional red from the additional contrast black background. Okay, so let's do one without daylight. For black background, we're going to go Eclipse. And we're just going to press the red button to record. Going to bring the stone out for comparison. So this is the stone we captured today. So in just a few minutes we've captured this on a black background, as you can see, on a beautiful white background as well with daylight, on a white background with normal 5500 Kelvin lighting,